It's time
to fire this thing up.
Hit it. Last time on Chip Shake TV, we installed that floating dock right here on my shore front using a special bracket from Slidemore, and it goes on to 2 pilings. And today on the program, I need to install some cleats. Now, I'd also like to install some courtesy lights. I think that would be cool, but here's my issue. It's out over the water. I can't really easily run electricity to that, but wait until we show you what we have lined up. Hey, well, good deal, you made it. Hi, I'm John Grabiscus. This is Wendy Rourke. And Wendy is with a company called Penn Air Solar. And you have brought a 2-in-1 kind of combo unit here to my house. And let's start off by talking about this cleat right here. How big is it? What's it made from? And how does it light up?
Yes, so this is our 12-inch cleat. All of our products are made with aluminum alloy, stainless steel screws. It has a 20-ton crush rating in the center.
Right.
And
how much pull can you get on this cleat?
The 12-inch cleat can support up to a 42,000-pound load.
Okay, this looks like, what, an 8-inch cleat here?
That is our 8-inch cleat, that's correct.
Okay. And this works off of solar charging.
Yes.
For LED lighting. What are the different colors that they come in?
So all of our lights are available in soft white, amber, red, and green. Okay,
so guys, if it's the holidays, you could have your house decorated one way. You could change out the lights and make it a different color if you want.
That's correct.
Or you keep it, the same all year long. Now, what do you call these right here?
Those are sun dots. And the sun dots, what you do is you drop this down into, you have to drill a hole.
Okay, so you use a hole saw, you cut it into your tread on your dock or into your deck.
Yes, and you drop it down and it's flush.
Okay, so, and how strong is it if you're traveling across the glass?
It has a 20-ton crush rating.
Oh my gosh, and do these come in the same colors?
They do.
Fantastic. Okay, how much are the 12-inch cleats?
The 12-inch cleats are $98.
8-inch?
$72.
Sun dots?
$48.
Okay, this is cool. You don't have to run electricity. You can have something that's strong, functional, yet beautiful. How can people at home get more information on Penn Air Solar?
It's www.pennairsolar.com.
If you're a marine contractor and you want to offer these cleats and courtesy lights to waterfront homeowners, because I'm telling you, people are going to go nuts, especially in the Carolinas with those really, really long docks. Okay, who is your distributor?
Erie Marine Group is one of our distributors. Go to their website at www.erieMarinaSolutions.com.
Guys, we're going to be at the Palm Beach Boat Show. All right, this time we're going to show you all kinds of cool technology, but where we're going to begin is with our friends at Boat Outfitters. So let's listen up in order to learn more ways how to keep our boats ship-shape.
With the volume of sales and overall success that we've had with our Yeti top fillet tables, we've decided to expand the catalog a little bit. So hi, I'm Danny Hill, and I'm in charge of adding new products for BoatOutfitters.com. So I'd like to show you 2 new accessories today. Over here on my right-hand side, we have what I like to refer to as the Mac Daddy of Yeti fishing cooler accessories. We have storage for a Plano tray, not 1 but 2 rod holders, pliers, as well as a cutting knife to be able to use for your fish on top of our pre-existing Yeti cutting board. Additionally, if you're headed out to the sandbar, or you could also be the fisherman, well, let's just say you're the guy going out to have a good time with your friends out on the water. We have not 1 but 3 cup holders here. Okay, talk about entertaining. What this allows for is for you to have everything that you need in one spot. Also, just like all of our other accessories, we maintain the ability to maintain both your tie downs as well as the ability for you to carry the cooler without any downside. So you can transport this anywhere. So if you guys are looking for anything like this, whether you're fishing or cruising or a little bit of both, we've got absolutely everything you need at BoatOutfitters.com.
ShipShape TV, where boat improvement lives, is made possible by the entire collection of beautiful Sunbrella fabrics. Sunbrella, the only fabric to offer both design and performance above and below deck. By Boat Outfitters, your source for replacement hardware, custom king starboard doors, tackle centers, and more. Need it? They'll build it. Visit BoatOutfitters.com to update or customize your boat today. And by Yamaha. Reliability starts here. And finally, by the TaylorMade Group, leading marine manufacturers of original and replacement boat tops and covers, windshields, windows, and hard-to-find replacement parts. Aftermarket accessories, our all-new custom T-top covers, and more. Let us help you make your boat look shipshape again.